Welcome to Roadrunner, your go-to channel for everything automotive. In today's video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the 2025 Ford Explorer, an SUV that promises to raise the bar in terms of design, performance, and technology. Whether you're considering this as your next family vehicle or just want to learn about the latest updates, you're in the right place. This review will cover everything you need to know, from the exterior features to the performance specs and interior upgrades. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of what the 2025 Ford Explorer brings to the table. Ford has truly outdone itself with the new Explorer, especially with its refreshed exterior design. The 2025 model now features a more sculpted and aggressive front end, which includes sharper LED headlights and a larger, more dynamic grille. The sleek, aerodynamic lines are not only visually appealing but also contribute to improved fuel efficiency. The new Explorer sits on redesigned wheels that emphasize its sporty nature while maintaining a robust presence on the road. Ford has certainly made sure the 2025 Explorer stands out with its commanding look, making it a prime choice for anyone who wants a vehicle that looks as good as it performs. Inside, Ford has gone all out with a luxurious and tech-forward cabin. The 2025 Explorer is equipped with high-quality materials and offers a variety of trim levels, each providing a different experience in terms of comfort and technology. The seating is plush and supportive, with available options for heated and ventilated front seats, along with multi-way power adjustments to ensure the perfect driving position. The second-row seats are equally comfortable, and even the third row offers a surprising amount of space, making the Explorer a great option for larger families or those who need to transport more passengers. When it comes to cargo space, the Explorer shines with ample room, especially when the third-row seats are folded down, providing plenty of space for gear, luggage, or whatever you may need. One of the standout features of the 2025 Ford Explorer is its cutting-edge infotainment system. The Explorer comes equipped with Ford's Sync 4 system, which now includes a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen. This system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, meaning you can connect your smartphone seamlessly without the need for cumbersome cables. The interface is intuitive, easy to navigate, and extremely responsive. Whether you're using the navigation, streaming music, or accessing vehicle settings, everything is just a few taps away. Additionally, the 2025 Explorer is equipped with an available 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system that delivers rich, clear sound for an unparalleled listening experience. When it comes to driving, the 2025 Ford Explorer offers a range of powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The base model comes with a 2.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, which delivers a respectable 300 horsepower. This engine provides a nice balance of performance and efficiency, making it ideal for everyday driving. If you're after more power, there's an available 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine that cranks out 400 horsepower, offering a thrilling driving experience, especially when combined with the Explorer's rear-wheel drive platform. This V6 engine allows the Explorer to accelerate quickly and confidently, making it a great option for those who love performance without compromising on practicality. For those who are more eco-conscious, the Explorer also offers a hybrid option, combining a 3.3-liter V6 engine with an electric motor to provide 318 horsepower. The hybrid powertrain is perfect for those who want to save on fuel costs without sacrificing performance. The 2025 Ford Explorer has also been designed with towing in mind, with a maximum towing capacity of 5,600 pounds when properly equipped. It can handle trailers, boats, and other heavy loads with ease. The Explorer's advanced towing technologies, such as trailer sway control, make towing safer and more stable, ensuring that your journey is smooth even when hauling a heavy load. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long road trip, the Explorer has the power and capacity to handle whatever you throw at it. In terms of handling, The 2025 Ford Explorer delivers a smooth and composed ride, with the ability to handle both city streets and off-road conditions with ease. The rear-wheel drive configuration ensures a more balanced and dynamic driving experience, while the optional all-wheel drive system provides added confidence in challenging weather conditions or on rough terrain. The suspension has been fine-tuned to provide a comfortable ride without sacrificing agility, and the vehicle's size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces while still offering a commanding view of the road. Safety is always a priority for Ford, and the 2025 Explorer is no exception. This SUV comes standard with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and lane keeping assist. These systems are designed to help prevent accidents and give you peace of mind while on the road. For those who want even more advanced safety technologies, higher trims of the Explorer offer additional features like adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, and even evasive steering assist, which can help steer you away from potential obstacles in emergency situations. Ford has also integrated a variety of convenience features into the 2025 Explorer, making it an incredibly user-friendly vehicle. One of the most convenient features is the hands-free liftgate, which allows you to open the rear hatch without touching it, making it easier to load and unload items when your hands are full. The Explorer also offers a wireless charging pad for your devices, along with multiple USB ports and even a 110-volt power outlet to keep everything charged while on the go. If you're looking for a truly connected experience, the Explorer also offers an available Wi-Fi hotspot, so passengers can stay connected to the internet throughout their journey. Fuel efficiency in the 2025 Ford Explorer is competitive for its class. The base turbocharged 4-cylinder engine offers an EPA estimated 21 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway, which is impressive for an SUV of its size. The V6 engine comes in at 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway, while the hybrid powertrain is the most efficient option, with an estimated 27 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This makes the Explorer a solid choice for anyone looking for an SUV that balances performance with good fuel economy. Pricing for the 2025 Ford Explorer is reasonable considering all the features and capabilities it offers. The base model starts at a competitive price, with higher trims like the Limited, Street, and Platinum offering more luxury features and performance upgrades. No matter which trim you choose, you're getting an SUV that offers a great balance of value and performance. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Explorer is a fantastic all-around SUV that excels in many areas, including design, performance, technology, and safety. With its powerful engine options, high-tech features, and comfortable, spacious interior, it's a great choice for anyone in the market for a midsize SUV. Whether you're using it for daily commuting, family trips, or towing heavy loads, the Explorer has you covered. If you're interested in staying updated on the latest car reviews, news, and updates, be sure to subscribe to Roadrunner. We'll continue to bring you the latest and most comprehensive car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.